kuna malaika wako katikati yenu, huwa wanatoa sauti zenu vizuri.
When I sing in a crusade or in the church, there are angels in your midst. They sing very nice with you.
Hallelujah, 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 Mwokozi. Hallelujah, 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 Mwokozi. Hallelujah. Nasikia hizo sauti. Hallelujah, Mwokozi. Hallelujah. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. Yesu, hizo sauti unaweza kuzipata mahali kwa praise and worship kweli?
Can you get those voices somewhere in a praise and worship team? Really? No.
Hizo sauti ziko na nguvu za Mungu.
Those voices are full of God's power.
Hazina utaalamu wala ujuzi.
They have no anything to do with the experience, but they are full of the Spirit.